2, 3, 5, even $800 every single day using this simple tool right here. And we're going to show you how you can do the same and start putting hundreds of dollars every single day into your pocket and your bank account. So stick around. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Brian, Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome back to the channel where every single week we're bringing you information, tips, and even online-based opportunities to help put more money in your pocket. So if you're someone struggling to make some money, you're looking for opportunity, we have it here. If you're already an entrepreneur and you want to stack on additional sources of income, increase the revenue in your business, then you're going to want to tune in here to the channel. So at any time, guys, despite where you are financially, your personal and or business finances, consider at any time during this video hitting the little red subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we drop new content. All right, guys, and if you're getting great value from this video, make sure you let us know by hitting that thumbs up button and liking the video. Okay, now before we get started and showing you this simple and free way of making and producing money and putting it into your pocket and your bank account, we do want to let you know that, guys, if you are interested in really creating a passive income-based business, a solid business with foundation, all online based, despite where in the world you live, then you're going to want to hit that first link in the description below, guys. This is a solid, legitimate, real opportunity to create something great for yourself when it comes to your money and business and being an entrepreneur. All right, so if you're interested and you're looking for a way to make some money online, just haven't figured out what is right for you, then check out this opportunity below by hitting that first link in the description below. Okay, now moving on into today's video, what are we talking about? Well, we're talking about a host of different platforms, ladies and gentlemen, which are absolutely free. And with the utilization, with a simple tool that you might or might not be aware of that is also free for you to use, you can start making hundreds of dollars per day, every single day, despite where in the world you live. All right. And this tool we're talking about, guys, is Google Translate. Now, I don't know if you've ever used or even heard of Google Translate, but it is a service provided by Google. We know that's legit, right? And anybody can use it. And basically what you can do is take one language and convert it into another language. Okay, and some people might say, well, this is Google Translate isn't 100% accurate. No, but it's more like a little over 90% accurate. Okay, and for what you're going to be doing with this opportunity that we're going to be sharing with you today, you don't need 100%, to be 100% accurate. Okay, we're going to be showing you ways in which you can make money for providing services that other people are in need of, translating documents, other things like that. That other people don't know themselves how to do, and they have no time to even look into it. Okay, so they rather pay someone, right? And it doesn't have to be 100%. As long as what they're trying to convey can be done and you can deliver that service for them, they're willing to pay you for it. All right, now today we're going to be using Google Translate. We're going to be showing you a website called rev.com. That's rev.com. Okay, and as you can see, they have multiple translation jobs and opportunities, captioning, subtitles, translating subtitles, things of that nature. Okay, guys, and this is real simple. It's not something that is new, but it is something that is highly in high demand. Okay, there's people who need documents, video titles and descriptions translated, all kind of things, right? They want, from text to text. They want from voice to text. Okay, right, where people have audio files and they need that converted and translated into another language or converted over into the same language, but done via text. Okay, so that's where you come in, and we're going to be showing you how to use Google Translate to be able to do this when it comes to converting from one language to another, as Google Translate has so many different languages that you can take and translate. All right, so with that said, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to rev.com. The process is really simple. Basic generic information, guys. It's going to take you a few minutes to do. You create a flexible work schedule, hundreds of jobs, choose from hundreds of jobs, get paid every single week. Okay, now this is just a quick look at how much money you can potentially make, and it's just with the one website, but they're paying 30 cents to $1.10 for transcriptionists. Okay, so you're converting audio and video files basically into text. Okay, and that's paying 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute, okay, that you're transcribing. Captioners are making 54 cents to 110 per audio or video minute. This is just easy money, ladies and gentlemen. Again, hundreds of jobs available to you every single day on just one platform. Okay, and you have multiples again to choose from. Okay, if you know a foreign language, they're going to pay you even more, $1.50 to $3 per audio or video minute. And the first step is entering general information. Then after that, you're going to go and take a quick quiz. They want to see how fast you type, right? They want to know what languages you speak, things, so on and so forth. Again, real simple process. You're going to take basically a practice exam or test. As long as you qualify, you pass that, then you'll start qualifying, get access instantaneously to different opportunities. Now, when you go to Google Translate, it's real simple, right? You got translate.google.com. Okay, you can choose your languages. You can convert from English, say, to Spanish, or if you wanted, I mean, look at all these languages. Okay, this is just an example. Look at all these different languages they have here, guys. If you want to say you speak German or you're converting a German text, right, you would write it there, and then you wanted to convert it to English there. Okay, for example, if let's go with English. Make it simple. We're gonna find English here, somewhere here, boom, English. And this is how you can really maximize this opportunity and make it even faster. Now, you can either text, ladies and gentlemen. They're gonna want to see how most of these sites are gonna actually do like a practice exam or test, as I mentioned before. And so they're gonna want to see basically how fast you can type, okay? But a way to really maximize this opportunity is to click on the little microphone, okay? So say you're converting an English text or whatever the language is into a different language, right? If you can speak the language, for instance, I'm speaking English because that's the only language I know, all right? But I don't need to know Spanish, German, and all these other languages out there to make money with this opportunity. Reason is, if I'm converting a document, right, from English into another language, all I have to do is click this little button right here, this little microphone, guys. And once I start doing that, you can see that it starts typing for me, okay? Right there, we have that converted into Spanish and even more coming. So right there, you can see we have just converted English into Spanish without actually typing it. Okay, so if you can read a specific language and you're converting to another language, you can actually just speak it into Google Translate and it'll do the typing for you. All right, so this is just another advantage you have when it comes to producing more money, because you're cutting back on the time when you're speaking instead of typing. Okay, now I know some of you type extremely fast, probably as fast as I'm talking, so maybe this isn't directed towards you, but you can see the potential and opportunity there. Again, you're gonna want to use Rev.com, but guys, there are multiple sources or online platforms or websites that you can use to do the same thing that you'll be doing on Rev. There are so many different ones: Freelancer.com, Fiverr.com, Upwork. There are just a ton of them everywhere. Okay, so the thing is, the way you make more money is there going to be a few jobs. There's jobs that pay per gig on Rev.com and all these other different online platforms as well. Some pay per gig, some pay per hour, things like that. So you're an independent entrepreneur, okay? You're basically a freelancer when it comes to doing this, okay? So you have the choice to accept jobs or not accept them, okay? You can look through them. Most of these sites have lists of different jobs, different opportunities that, aside from just translating text or translating audio files, there's all kind of different things that you'll see on these websites. So this could just be something that gets you started when it comes to translating documents in audio files, okay? But that's how you get started. And then what you do is you start stacking on the income, increasing the income by doing this for multiple sites. Okay, so all those sites I just shown you, right? You can register. It's pretty much the same process for all of them. There may be some slight differences when it comes to the application process, but for the most part, the general application, the general process is all the same for all these sites. Okay, now you can make maybe $100 in a day on one site, 1 gig. But what if you have 10 different offers, 10 different opportunities across all these sites that you register for? Okay, now you're talking to get into the thousands of dollars per day, right? Real simple process, real easy, ladies and gentlemen. And I hope that you can see from here the testimonials of a few different people who are enjoying this type of work. Okay, right? You make up your own schedule, you work when you want, and you have the opportunity to make as much money as you pretty much want, depending on how much you want to work. All right, now that is it. you can see this is real simple, easy process. You register for a few websites, takes you literally 5-10 minutes on each website to do this and get this done. After that, you get access to hundreds, if not thousands of jobs per day, thousands of opportunities per day, depending on how many sites you're registered for as a freelancer, somebody that you're working with, okay? You can do this every single day and make hundreds to thousands of dollars per day utilizing Google Translate, right? And there are multiple opportunities that are out there online for you. So with that said, I hope that you have gotten great value from this video. I hope that if you're not doing this already, that you at least give it a shot, guys. Get out there, make some money from the comfort of your own home while you're traveling, wherever you're at. Some of these jobs take minutes, some of them take quite a few minutes, but the opportunity is there for you and the money is there for you. So let's get it. Let's make it happen. If you have enjoyed this video, let us know. Make sure you have hit that thumbs up button. You've gotten value. Make sure you're following us on all social media platforms too, guys, at Revenue Pro Tips. And again, hit that first link in the description if you're looking for a solid, long-term, scalable business. Hit the first link in the description below and start making some money and building a successful online-based business as a full-time entrepreneur. All right. With that said, this is Brian with Revenue Pro Tips. Take care. Stay tuned. We'll talk to you soon. Peace.